Hello students, we all know the trigonometric identity. Cosec square x minus cot square x is 1. But how to prove it? Let's see. In triangle ABC, perpendicular is P, base is B, hypotenuse is H. Therefore, cosec x is H by P, cot x is B by P. Therefore, cosec square x minus cot square x is H by P whole square minus B by P whole square. This is equals to H square by P square minus B square by P square. This is H square minus B square by P square. Since H square is P square plus B square by Pythagoras theorem, therefore H square minus B square is P square. This is equals to P square by P square. This is 1. Therefore, cosec square x minus cot square x is 1. Hence proved. For more videos like this, do subscribe and share. Thank you.